Good morning, this is Paul. So I bought this San Jose banana and blue Java banana from my friend Sal last fall, a California rare fruit grower, and he also convinced me to buy this from him. He had a few of them, but this is the Black Madeira KK fig tree. And I didn't think much of it, but I trusted that he said it's an excellent variety, and I've learned more about it. So check this out. This was a good website, in my opinion, and it says that the origin of this plant is from Portugal, and it's a variant fig tree that comes from Keith K, or KK online. Now, it originally came from John at Encanto Nursery, or Encanto Farms Nursery, and I assume that this is in San Diego County because there is a town named Encanto, which is in East County. Now, this strain is considered to show less signs of fig mosaic virus, which is like stunted growth. You can see this thing is thriving. I left it in my greenhouse all winter. It defoliated, and then in the past 4 to 6 weeks, it's been just thriving in there. So I'll probably put it outside pretty soon. Now, definitely vigorous growth compared to some other fig trees that I've grown. And I really just am impressed with its nice little growth rate so far. Seems like once it gathered some roots, it has plenty of energy to thrive. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna repot this in probably a few weeks and give it a 5 or maybe a 10-gallon pot, just so it can grow better and I'll protect it from the rabbits. So now that I know this is like a highly sought after, really delicious fig, so I'm excited to taste it in the future. So I'm gonna protect this from rabbits and just keep it either in a part sun environment or slowly introduce it to full sun. Once it gets taller, I do not want this thing to get damaged. So there you go. We'll give you an update on it in the future. This is the Black Madeira KK fig tree. Even the leaves just smell great. So I'm excited to taste this fruit. I love figs. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.